heartened that, you know, men are stepping up to this plate instead of sort of defaulting this to a women's battle. I mean, when you look at the world, right, when you look at violence in the world, most of it is perpetuated by dudes. So I think, while it's amazing that, and I mean, I'm not meaning to suggest all men are violent or that little boys are born so, but it's amazing that women are stepping up, exploring female experiences, demanding better ones. But it's really, really urgent and awesome that dudes are doing it too.
Yeah, I think this is amazing, and this is because the band has such an amazing reach on social media. I hope that the message goes out loud and clear that, first of all, we have to talk about it like they said, and secondly, that it's okay for guys to talk about it, and it's okay for you to support the cause. It's not something that only women have to do.
Well, this song is basically about an issue that's been plaguing the country for a while now, and I think many people are aware of it, but maybe don't see the importance of it. It's about anti-prenatal sex determination. So our song that we've put out is a rendition of a popular theme song of the movie Lakshya. So we've taken the theme song from that movie and rendered it in our own style. Yeah. And this is a collaboration with us, manager Ben Thomas and QKey, alongside the main company eBay, whose vision it was to do this as a song to talk about this cause. Yeah, and it's a very alarming situation. Keshu, you want to drop in some facts?
So I think, like, more importantly for us, we've been making a lot of songs about love and, you know, about peace and things like that. And we kind of felt like right now it's our social responsibility to actually start putting out our voice to, you know, talk about issues that we feel are important, and people have to hear about this. So something that we mentioned earlier also is that for India to grow, India has to know. And this is our way of kind of, you know, letting everybody know about issues that are happening in the country right now.
And we are doing it through music. Like, we put out the song, and you can do it your way, whatever skill you have, any art form. And the thing is that children, they're conditioned from, like, childhood, and they're told that, you know, this is, girls are weaker or whatever. This is what they say. This is how they are conditioned. And this is one way of breaking their conditioning. And it's something that's happening in villages more than the cities, but it's there in cities as well. A lot of educated people and educated families also. This is quite, it's what do you call that?
It's a very sad situation that any woman has to face this, or any girl has to face this, and we all have women in our families and girls and people we really care about, and we would never like to see them face these issues, or even when they do face these issues, when they discuss it with us, we're very concerned. And I'm sure a lot of people, once they watch this video, we would like them to have discussions with their family members, with their friends, share this so that people see that this is something that's still prevalent in the country. Sex determination kits are sold. It's not sold on eBay, and it's illegal. It's an illegal thing, first of all.
But we feel very strongly about this, and through our song, we want to make people aware about this. And you know, ये हमारा लक्ष्य है कि लोगों तक पहुंचे और वो और मैसेज आगे पहुंचाए. Awareness बढ़े इसके बारे में.
This is the reason why we chose the song Lakshya. Like, this is our aim. This is the destination. This is where we want to be. To talk about the cause, spread it as much as possible, and obviously you got to discuss these things with your families and your relatives, your friends, everyone possible. And yeah, you got to tell your kids, you got to teach them these things. There's nothing to be ashamed of. Like, even when they're young, you don't have to think that, you know, your child is too young to know these things, but start talking about these things. These are very important things.
Yeah, and some of the facts are really alarming because just to name like one, there's a village in India that has about 25,000 people, 25,000 males and only 18 women. So, you know, like when we read things like this, it suddenly, like, I mean, it just hits you. You're like, you know, I mean, just go home and, like, you know, I mean, if you're sitting at home right now, go online and just do some research on this, and you'll see the kind of the facts about these things that are really scary. So, I mean, it really, like, affected us in a big way. Yeah. And we thought that we really have to, like, I mean, this is the first song that we're doing like this about a social cause. Yeah. And so we thought that no better way to start with this.
And we're going to do a bit of Lakshya, the song that we're discussing, that we did a rendition of, all right? All right, give it tempo. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है, तुझे अभी दिखाना है। हाँ ये रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है। हाँ ये सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है, तुझे अभी दिखाना है। रोके तुझको आंधिया या जमीन और आसमां, पाएगा जो लक्ष्य है तेरा। लक्ष्य तो हर हाल में पाना है, लक्ष्य तो हर हाल में पाना है। लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो। लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म मुलाकात हो न हो। लग जा गले
Your bottom band fight for women's rights.
हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से, जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से। फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो। लग जा गले। Thank you.
Media for us. If we're live, then we're possibly really live.
Okay, you're live here.
Alright, we're at the Middle Studios with the awesome Faye and all these lovely ladies.
I want you to name
I hope you guys.
I want you to give. I want you to name all of us.
Ladies first. Ladies first.
So if you're live, obviously with the wonderful guys
really
that
hope that we are live right
this
now.
is Aranya. Hello.
Yeah.
You zoom in closer. You
Hello, Ananya, guys.
Aranya is the one with the really cool poem that went completely viral on Facebook. She's so cool. She's so young. She's so cool. I know.
Super cool.
I feel like the kid of the family right now. Yep. And of course, this is a face you all remember.
Well, hi.
Let's do that. Tell us a joke.
Tell us a joke.
Tell us a joke. And this is Lovely Rekha.
Hello.
My name is Lovely Rekha, actually.
Rekha is her middle name. Her first name is Rekha. It could be though. This is universally
Please,
all
everyone call me Lovely.
Lovely Rekha.
BuzzFeed India, so cool, so wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Keep up and happening.
And this is the resident Shire of the group.
Yay.
Couldn't say on the Chihuahua. So,
Hey guys, what about putting a tune to one of their songs, yeah? One of their poems?
wow.
That sounds interesting.
Live project.
Minor, is it like a minor thing?
No, so we'll give you the music, you can just sing it out.
I'll tell you the text and maybe you can give us
Okay,
a tune. उस खुदा ने जहां बनाया अरमानों से उसे सजाया फिर नीचे इंसान को लाया देख उन्हें फिर वो मुस्काया आदम हवा थे कहलाते मर्द और औरत जाने जाते खुले आसमां में थे गाते हमें खुदा ने एक बनाया दिन बीते और गया वो कहना हम तुम एक दूजे का गहना औरत को दहलीज में रहना घर का मालिक मर्द कहलाया सदियां बीती वही नजारा कोने में औरत का गुजारा कायम है पराक्रम का धारा खुदा दुनिया का हमें बनाया ख्वाहिशें आंसू में बहती फिर भी औरत कुछ न कहती जंजीरों में कैद ही रहती उन्हीं पर अपना समाज बताया औरत बोली मुझे रोको मत आगे बढ़ रोको मत जंजीरों में झोंको मत दुनिया तुमने मुझे बुलाया मत बोला खुद राती क्यों हो हमसे कदम मिलाती क्यों हो जर्रा हो जाती क्यों हो और फिर अपना जोर जताया कब तक ये जंग जारी रहेगी कब तक औरत बेचारी रहेगी आदम से कब तक हारी रहेगी औरत ने है ये सवाल उठाया
Your turn. Yeah, go for it.
Okay, so brown girls try to gender?
Yeah.
Wait.
So if you're live, obviously with the wonderful
We
guys.
really
that set
hope
up,
that we are live right
This
now.
is Aranya.
Hello.
Yeah.
You zoom in closer. She's
Ananya, guys.
Aranya is the one with the really cool poem that went completely viral on Facebook. She's so cool. She's so young. She's so cool. I know.
Super cool.
I feel like the kid of the family right now. Yep.
And
Next.
This is a face you all remember.
Well, maybe not.
Let's do that. Tell us a joke.
Comedian, tell us a joke.
And this is
Lovely Rega.
Lovely Rekha.
Hello.
My name is Lovely Rekha. Rekha is her middle name. Her first name is Lovely. It could be though.
Yeah.
Please, all of you, everyone call me Lovely.
Lovely Rekha.
That's lovely.
BuzzFeed India, so cool, so wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hip hop and happening.
Yep.
And this is the resident Shire of the group. Which you couldn't say on the Chihuahua. So
Guys,
this.
what about putting a tune to one of their songs, yeah? One of their poems?
Wow.
That's all right.
That sounds interesting.
Live
Right now.
project.
Right now.
I'll give you 4 lines. I'll give you 4 lines.
Minor, is it like a minor thing?
No, so we'll give you the music, you can just sing it out.
I'll tell you the text and
Okay.
maybe you can give us a tune. उस खुदा ने जहां बनाया अरमानों से उसे सजाया फिर नीचे इंसान को लाया देख उन्हें फिर वो मुस्काया आदम हवा थे कहलाते मर्द और औरत जाने जाते खुले आसमां में थे गाते हमें खुदा ने एक बनाया दिन बीते और गया वो कहना हम तुम एक दूजे का गहना औरत को दहलीज में रहना घर का मालिक मर्द कहलाया सदियां बीती वही नजारा कोने में औरत का गुजारा, कायम है पर आदम का नारा, खुदा ज़मीं का हमें बनाया, ख्वाहिशे आंसू में बहती, फिर भी औरत कुछ ना कहती, जंजीरों में कैद ही रहती, उन्हीं पर अपना सरताज बताया। औरत बोली मुझे रोको मत, आगे बढ़ना है टोको मत, जंजीरों में झोंको मत, सदियों तुमने मुझे रुलाया। मर्द बोला इतराती क्यों हो, हमसे कदम मिलाती क्यों हो, जर्रा हो गुम जाती क्यों हो, और फिर अपना जोर जताया। कब तक ये जंग जारी रहेगी, कब तक औरत बेचारी रहेगी, आदम से कब तक हारी रहेगी, औरत ने है ये सवाल उठाया।
That was brilliant. That was brilliant. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn.
Okay, so brown girls got to gender?
Yeah.
The first boy who held my hand told me, boys don't want to hear about vaginas bleeding. Younger me could smell the misogyny. Vaginas only meant to be touched, breasts only meant to be sucked, mouths only meant to blow. It's true, I know my waist meant to be compared to an hourglass. My voice only meant to quiver. Please fast, yet I am silenced. But all you boil down to is sexual interaction. Not just me, my mother, sisters, friends all quickened their pace post 8:30 in the evening. My mom telling me to wear skirts out less often, Nirbhaya and more left forgotten. We don't want to be another of India's daughters, do we? So I wear my jeans long, I wear my tops high, don't show my cleavage or a hint of my thighs. Don't want to be mistaken for wanting it, cause if I wear less, I'm more than just flaunting it. I'm risking it, risking my shitty of my life. My I'm simply single to keep it till I'm a wife. If not, I'm a hoe, a silent skank and more, not as pure as I was before. 15-year-old lucky me to like 30-year-old good to back, and he dealt with it with all humor of a victim of an acid. That should be your sister, your girlfriend, your cousin, because
Come on. Go.
With perfect mind. I'm sorry I was catcalled in my uniform at age 9. I deserve to have age 9. This is an all-men thing, trust me, I do. But the men I can trust are only a few. At the age of 12, I brushed off to sexualize. Nice. At the same time, we don't get damn sexual rights. But rape is fine. Fuck it up, it's a mad design. Keep on lying.
Brilliant. Okay. That was a lot of fun, right? What do you think, guys and girls?
Alright, very quickly for the camera.
Yes.
Best wishes for Mirana, guys.
Oh. Okay. Over there. Well looking.
This one.
Oh.
Turn around. I'll give you that.
Okay. Okay.
Turn the camera around.
Yeah. That. Okay. What are we doing? Quickly for the camera.
Yeah.
Are we doing like a?
Alright.
Oh.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. You're great, and you're the reason we are here right now, all of us.
Yeah. Thanks for having us.
Faye fans, yeah? We're all Faye fans. Hashtag Faye fan.
Hashtag Faye fans.
Thanks so much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
This has been awesome. Thank you so much.
Face Bay.
Oh, nice one. Faye's Bay is Bay.
Faye's Bay. Cheers.
You're really great. Yes. Yeah.
Let's go. Say bye. Bye. Say bye.
Bye, guys.
See you. And subscribe.
subscribe.